was recreated using original factory plans by Matt's grandfather, Jim Yonkin, in 1979. Yonkin... You see performing today has been in several movies. If you have ever seen the movie The Rocketeer, this aircraft was featured in that movie. The Travel Air mystery ship was designed originally in 1920. It was built by the Travel Air Aircraft Corporation in Wichita, Kansas. The aircraft was dubbed the mystery ship because the press attempted to get plans and see this aircraft before it was actually manufactured, but they kept it such a secret that the press dubbed it the mystery ship. It was considered the hottest and fastest aircraft of its day, of its time, in the late 1920s. It had a top speed of 235 miles an hour.